All right, looking up properties in Martin County, you go to our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Right here where it says permit search, click that. Scroll down to Martin County, and unincorporated Martin County covers areas of Hope Sound, Indiantown, Jensen Beach, Palm City, Port Salerno, Stewart, and parts of Tequesta. That's a little asterisk. So if your property's parcel ID begins with 60, you'll have to go down here to Tequesta, and we'll show you that in a different video. All right, so if your property is in unincorporated Martin County, click here. And this is the permit website. Scroll down to where it says street number. Today's example is going to be 1027 Southwest Bromelia. Southwest Bromelia. And it's going to be Terrace. This is the property that's currently for sale. Down here where it says search, click on search. And these are all the permits. Right off the bat, you can see up here, there's a residential roofing permit that was applied for on 7/16/2024. So it's a pretty new roof. And it was a status right here in the middle, closed out, certificate issued. So we're good. That's a closed out roof permit. Next one down is electrical permit. And actually, check out what it says here. Requesting release of power. Customer had a small fire continued to the contained to the bed area due to a candle FPL disconnected power. So if you're going to put an offer on this house or you're interested in looking at it, that's a pretty good information to know, just so you can get an idea of what the scope of the fire was and what type of remediation was done to correct it. Yeah, there's a type of information you can find. If you have any questions, reach out to us directly. Happy hunting.